The US wastes more than 1/3 of its food supply. The consumption stage during the food supply chain is responsible for the highest amount of food waste. This includes at-home food such as produce and leftovers, and the majority of food thrown away at restaurants. Uneaten food results in these resources being wasted, the entire agricultural land of California and New York combined. The yearly water use of 50 million Americans is wasted every year. This is equivalent to everybody in the states of Michigan, Georgia, North Carolina, Virginia, and New Jersey wasting an entire year's worth of water. The amount of fertilizer wasted due to food waste is enough to grow all plant-based foods for one entire year. We waste enough energy to power 1/3 of the homes in America, which is equal to 50 million homes a year. And last but not least, we create enough greenhouse gas emissions to power 42 coal-fired power plants. Thank you for listening.